done it again. It's the 8th annual How You Ride Car and Bike Festival. And for the first time ever, this motherfucker look like a festival. This bitch rocking. I love everybody on this parking lot, man. You watching this video, I got some love for you too, man. But the people that's on this parking lot right now, the people that got 10 toes on the pavement right now, here right now, I got love for y'all, man. I love y'all. And I thank y'all. No bullshit. Give y'all a little time, man. Let me try to go through here. What you do, baller? What's up, guys? What you do, man? Got that shit out here, of course. Cars every motherfucking where. I'm gonna try to get everybody on the motherfucking camera. A-Dog out here. We doing it now. Out here getting this judging together. What's going on, Gatone? Got the judges going around, getting shit together. KG!
What up, what up, what up?
What you do, man? What you do, bro? Yeah. They got that shit out. What up, man?
What's going on with you?
What's going on? Got that shit out here. Of course, bro came out here. Pump! Cheap ass nigga. What up, man?
Y'all see that shirt?
Oh, look at the shirt. Yeah, man.
Oh, yeah, you know it.
Man.
Rest in peace to my Impala.
Rest in peace to the Impala.
Man.
Fuck that Impala. Cheap ass.
I'll be back next summer.
Yeah, man. Should have had insurance, nigga. Should have had insurance, nigga. You had good shit? You said what?
Man, they eat this garbage ass wing stop, man.
You bogus.
Wing stop?
I got
Wing stop, man.
bogus.
Oh.
Get the their teeth, baby. Get the meat in their
Wow.
teeth,
Is T-Guys Hennessy, boy?
man. Oh, okay.
On your
bro,
ass.
look at my Hennessy in there.
Shout out to Rick Ross. Rick Ross ain't bought. Oh, he did buy fucking wings. Okay. All right. Yeah, you on YouTube right now.
Yeah,
Too late.
shout out to-
Too late. Let's swing around. Nigga, I got you. Yeah, man. K-Slow. What you do, nigga? What you do, nigga? Where the music at, nigga? Yeah, nigga, with all the music for sale. What you do, nigga?
What it do?
What up, man? You can perform for me?
Hold up.
If you want to.
Damn.
What was that?
Pretty wig.
I got a bud.
Go ahead. It's for the,
I got a bud.
It's for the earth.
I got a bud. You feel me? What you do, baller?
What's up, bro?
Oh shit, we got the legend.
Man, y'all know what it is.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah. Hey, they was hashtagging your shit when you was in the last video and you said major bag alert. SME. What you do, man? Whole team out here, man. Top 5, man. You calling that shit. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You gonna say it's for you. No, don't blame me. Them niggas gonna be mad. That's why they be mad, huh, Bob? Damn. Damn. Yeah, y'all better get your PPP shit together. Get your PPP shit together for next year. What you doing, nigga? Get your scamming together for next year so you can have your broke ass out here with it. What you do, cuz? What you doing, nigga? You look like you pulled up in that Chevy in the front. That's you, ain't it?
No, I ain't bringing mine out today, but I'm bringing it next
That
year.
is? Oh, you matching that motherfucker?
I'm bringing it next year.
Yeah.
I'll be ready next year.
I was talking about my Chevy, nigga. You supposed to be like, yeah. Come to the motherfucking show. What you do, baller? Yeah, man. We on the lane? Yeah.
Oh, we on the line.
Go get you a parking spot. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
The candy paint dripping off with an old school Impala. I'm with the big bank.
Hey, bro, you want to help them get that shit together? What up, bro? They got that shit out here, man. I just flooded the motherfucking lot. I'm gonna make another video. I'm gonna drop another video and show y'all what it looked like from the sky.
You gon' see about
So here goes part one.
I'm with the you 15900 in the Tahoe 124s. I'm the truth, I got that glow.
Part one, and this bitch jumping.
Sideways on swing, keep it ranging, and I'm brain. You see me hanging bad, I'm showing out extra. Say
Where y'all going? They got this motherfucker smacking, boy. Yes, sir. Hey, we gotta clear this motherfucking lot. We gotta clear this lot. We gotta clear the lot. We gotta clear the lot. Go ahead, bro. Heel, heel, heel. Heel, go, bro. Go, 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 go. Stay in this second lane. Hey, second lane. Hey, hey, in this second lane. Hey. Go ahead, come on, come on. BZ. Nigga shit cutting off and shit. Come on, man, go ahead, bro. Second lane, go ahead. Go ahead, bro. Come on, go ahead, bro. And toe good, hold the fuck down. Go ahead, bro, go ahead. Hey, come on, come on, come on. Hey. I got him, too.
Hold on, let me wear my weed burn.
What you do, man? We cleared this motherfucker. This is the first time that the lot was actually cleared and I ain't have to do too much work. I just gotta have me a whole team to empty the parking lot. Other than that, the damn car show was perfect.
RP,
It was perfect.
Uncle, goddamn it. RP Hollywood, goddamn it.
Yeah, man. Rest in peace, Hollywood, man. Yeah, man. Real pimpin'. Yeah, we getting ready for that show. Real pimpin'. Everybody going to the lane. Huh? Okay. All right. We cleared the lane out. This bitch was smacking so motherfucking hard, boy, today. We been out here all day. I wasn't late for the first time in a long time. Well, I was a little late, but we made it happen. The 8th annual Are You Riding Festival. You feel me? What the hell y'all want? Oh, he sent y'all to him? Yeah. He getting it together with his lying ass. He finna pay y'all right now. He sent y'all off. He getting the money together. Look at him. That's why he laughing. Tweezy. 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 Yeah, twat.
Bet we gotta run him.
Twat. Give him that fucking money. Look. Get on his ass, y'all. Get them kids their money, man. Yeah, here picking the generator back up. It's the end of the show, man. I did my shit once again. I'm proud of myself. No matter if I broke even, I'm proud of myself, no lie. I did that shit, man.
What the fuck it do, y'all? It's your boy D Nails. I got cuz phone right now, you know what I'm saying? We just left the motherfucking car show. That motherfucker was booming. Cuz them got a surprise for y'all. We finna get it popping. Boy, you see this motherfucker. He only gotta take it off the trailer. Fuck you talking about? We got Uck out here in the leg stain. Skinny Week. Best paint. Best paint. Best paint. My boy. We out here, bro. You already know. I got Holly on the phone, bro. Everybody here, everybody here. Everybody pulling up, you feel me? got motherfuckers still pulling up to the lane. You feel me? Whole city coming. They in the back of this building popping fireworks. Nope, over there. Scary ass girl like you ain't from the hood. I'm telling y'all. No, around that way. Fucking devil, the nigga that can bring Milwaukee out. Hollywood.
Oh, cheap ass nigga, we do, baller.
You already know. You already know.
You knew that. We out here.
Only nigga that can have a nigga talk shit and still come to a show.
Tell him, man. Tell him you gotta talk to the police after your event.
You feel me?
Doing all the work. Shut the fuck up.
It's 12 o'clock and we still outside. I just seen a lot of drone footage. And the next 3 days I'm gonna be flooding y'all with the show. What's going on, man? How was the show, bro?
Man, shit was black excellence. Real nice,
Black
real
Exes.
nice.
What up, Miss Gay?
You know what? If you
about
wasn't
this jam,
there,
man.
maybe next year.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get about this jam. I hear my baby mama calling me for $10 worth of gas. Baby, you better get there.
He said we got this
Hit your
jam.
ass with that bat.
What you do, man?
What's going on?
You outside, you enjoy your day?
Oh yeah, man, it was a beautiful day, beautiful day.
Smack
man.
it.
Yeah.
Smack it.
Smacking day, smacking night.
He had old school out. He had old school out, but he was outside, man. He was outside, man. 50 ball. They do, man.
This how I do weird.
What up, man?
Pull up. You gotta dip off when you owe somebody. Come on, baby.
Got the Durango Hellcat over there with the big cap 4Gs.
With some fried grits.
Big act. Look at the Hellcat 6s.
Missing out.
We outside, man.